This e-learning course makes the case for carbon capture and sequestration, or CCS, as a key solution with multiple positive impacts on climate, the economy, and the world's energy infrastructure and economy. The course highlights the importance of CCS for reducing CO2 emissions and reaching net zero goals for nations and companies. CCS is a proven methodology that can be implemented at scale to capture emissions, including those from high-emitting point sources, and safely and permanently store carbon at suitable underground locations, on land or offshore. While the world builds a sustainable clean energy portfolio, fossil fuels remain accessible and relatively inexpensive, and are supported by a vast global infrastructure. CCS aligns with the energy economy, currently and into the foreseeable future, by reducing CO2 emissions from power plants, industrial sites, and other large emitters, allowing continued fossil fuel use while reducing impacts on climate. While not a singular solution to human impacts on climate, CCS is a tried and tested solution that merits expansion. Failure to scale up CCS to significantly reduce carbon emissions will make net zero goals more difficult to reach and will add undue stress on transitions to renewables. Worse, continued reliance on fossil fuels without the ability to capture and store emissions will place net zero goals out of reach and likely lead to worsening of the myriad issues related to climate change. However, investing in and scaling up CCS has positive impacts beyond reductions in emissions. CCS projects provide a second life for facilities in the oil and gas infrastructure, and a boost to national and local economies. Captured CO2 is also used for enhanced oil recovery, as well as in the production of synthetic fuels and other purposes. For industries looking to reduce emissions and reach net zero goals, CCS is simply good business, especially when transportation costs are minimized by identifying suitable and safe storage locations near the point source. As most CCS projects involve reliable, well-known technologies, front-end investments, while significant, are not insurmountable. The reputation of large emitters will greatly benefit from slashing emissions and making their operations more environmentally sustainable. This e-learning course discusses the topics shown here.